Good. Wait,
We're almost there. We are almost there. Okay, go. Now?
no, you gotta pick up the background.
Okay, push, push, push.
Hold on, we're sliding.
Our box is crushing.
You gotta keep it this way.
Okay. Ready?
Go.
Go. Now?
Now you gotta hold up the background, Janine.
I am. Push, push. Go, Katrina. Little more, Katrina. Come on. Put some butt into it. Put some thigh into it, girl. Oh, you don't know how hard I'm pushing. Oh, God. Okay, Tiffany, maybe you need
Okay, switch. Someone's gotta hold the two boxes.
You go hold the two.
You gotta hold it so it doesn't slide together any further.
Okay. Ready? See what I mean?
Okay. I'm seeing stars right now.
You didn't mean to lift it up.
See if it's at the end of the box right now.
Oh, jeez. I will.
Hey, you know what? Why are we struggling with this thing? Let's split it. Let's make it slide back out.
Why are we struggling with this thing? I'll give you two words. Julie Glassware. That's what we're struggling
Do we want to see the sweat right here? The built up sweat.
We could probably get the measurement.